Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Fresh Global Local Capacity Systems. This is part two of four, and today we're going to talk about the next service spotlight, and that's the Virtual Finance Controller Service. Uh, So with and we call it the VFC. The VFC addresses the financial management weaknesses with a prompt solution. Uh, we really emphasize assisting a local NGO to improve their financial management system. Um, and we provide constant training of your staff on financial management policies and procedures. Um, and we provide an online accounting software and other apps for your team to improve effectiveness of your financial management system. And we also give you a virtual finance advisor to provide guidance and the internal audit function. Okay, so the first, let us go deeply into this and talk about the first stage, and that's providing you this virtual chief financial officer, which is your advisor, the CFO. This person will handle all duties of a traditional CFO, but remotely. The person is an experienced financial professional, years of experience, and can assist in making smart and timely decisions, business decisions, and monitors the financial health and well-being of your organization. All things that you need to have someone overseeing that component. Okay, and offers financial insight and guidance on all organization decisions and issues. The second component is your virtual accounting services. Uh, this is a cloud solution that you can share data and making it easy to transfer data between different systems. Uh, the accounting software gives you real-time reporting and cash flow, uh, as well as it helps in terms of making business management decisions, and more importantly, it is accessible anytime, anywhere on your phone, on your laptop or desktop, or your tablet. It creates budgets and forecasts, uh, and it's a very comprehensive system. And it also ties into other systems too that complements it as well. And one important thing too is that this system allows the advisor, the CFO and his team to pinpoint spending issues or advances. They can create a watch list of the various categories so you don't have outstanding advances or unusual or unallowable costs. Very important. It also offers a virtual forensic accounting and compliance service, checks all purchases and sales to make sure they are legitimate and well documented, uh, prepares financial management reports, um, and identifies and protects organizations from fraud. Now, additional services that we can provide is a virtual consulting service where we can give you a trusted advisor that takes a proactive approach, developing strategies to identify more donor funding, and also identify fundraising activities, and tries to get private sector's involvement in providing funding for your organization. Really helps in terms of sustainability. And we can establish an indirect cost or overhead rate to help cover some of your administrative costs of running your organization. Now, in our solution package, we have two options. The first option, one, uh, give you a basic accounting system with application. And we provide the oversight of your accounting staff and functions. So we basically make sure that they're doing what they should be doing and not overlooking certain aspects as well. And we provide the internal audit services and that advisory service and reports. Option number two is yes, we provide the accounting system and application. But in this case, depending on whether or not you have competent staff, financial management staff, or or you might not have the quality of staff that is needed to run your operation, we can manage your accounting operation and provide outsourcing staff to run your accounting services while still providing you the internal audit service as well as the advisory services. We want to make sure that we can, you can do option number one, but in cases where you might find it hard to identify uh, experienced, competent financial officers or managers due to the influx of international NGOs or just the lack of those people with those skills, we more than happy to uh, move towards option number two. So in summary, the VFC, we provide you the accounting, the cloud-based accounting system and applications. Uh, we give you the option of taking the NGO staff oversight, which is option number one, or staff outsourcing, which is option number two. We provide you the internal audit services. We provide the advisory service where we can give you monthly or quarterly reports to your executive director or your board of directors. And the cost is we have an initial installation cost. It's a monthly subscription fee that you pay every month in advance. And we can also give you the option number two where we provide the staff outsourcing along with the monthly subscription fee. The option is yours. Um, and we think that this will really give you the foundation you need for financial management. So this is our accounting system. We call it Zero. We are certified advisors of Zero. And this is the dashboard that I highlighted earlier. It can do your bank reconciliations on a weekly basis if you have online banking. This is the watch list that we talk about that identify accounts to make sure that they're reducing or not increasing, or if they're stagnant. We will be able to see this from the watch list. And this is, money coming in from donors and other sources and money going out, being your accounts payable. Okay. Now this concludes our part two of our workshop. But before this, we want to leave you with this testimonial from an executive director that used our services in the past. I'll just give you a moment to read her comment. Okay, very insightful. So this concludes our presentation for today for part two of part four. Um, um, and if you have any questions, you can contact Kamal at the email address. But uh, write your questions down and continue to part three as we will talk about more of our services that we can offer you. So I would like to thank you for your participation and listening to this presentation today.